So we have this bathroom here, and years ago we put in white grout. But as you look at it, it sure doesn't look white. As a matter of fact, it's 11 years later, and this is showing its age. But we got this Miracle Grout Pen, Rustoleum, and we got it in white. And right there you can see that's a crazy difference.
Yeah, you can.
And here, and we'll watch him just draw it on. Oh, that's cool. Hey, if this video is helping you out, be sure and like it. We really appreciate it. It helps move the video along, lets other people see it, and other people are definitely going to want to see this. Yeah, these floors looked so dingy with that, that old white grout. And I tried a hand steamer, and that didn't work really well. So Caleb came up with this idea, and this is winner. And one pen says it'll do 165 linear feet. This bathroom is about 10 feet wide. There are 3 grout lines here. 1, 2, 3, 10 feet long. So probably about 7 or 8 across. These are 1 foot by 2 foot tiles. So we probably don't have 60 linear feet. And that is, look at what a difference that's doing there. Once he puts it in, that nastiness just disappears. 13 bucks for a pen, that's worth it. Back up here a bit and you can see how much he's done. So what do you think?
I mean, I think that, if you're in a pinch like we are, it's obviously way better than this is brown, It's definitely going to be an improvement on that. I will say that as I have been going across these grout lines, I've noticed that it can be a little bit difficult to get a consistent looking shade of white. So some areas will be a bit more brilliant white and others will be a little bit more of a faded look, which can be a little bit hard to blend or make it a little bit less noticeable. Aside from that, everything else works pretty much just like a normal paint pen. If I go outside of my lines, I'll just wipe up any excess off the tiles. So it's not a huge issue. Other than that, there's a good example. You can kind of see if I've got a lot of paint loaded up into the pen and I try to start a new line, you can kind of see where I hit that. So what I would have to do is kind of go back over, maybe blend it in a little bit more, slowly lift up on the pen, make my transitions look a little bit more natural. But outside from that, it's going to be an improvement, and hopefully what it will do is it will make you not think about it or notice it when you walk in here. If somebody can walk in here and not immediately be drawn to how faded and old and gross this grout looked, I would consider that a win.
The other option was to cut all the grout out and regrout it. And that's
so much time.
Yeah, that's a lot of time. Yeah, you can see how quickly he's doing it, and what a difference. Look at that. So if you need a quick fix for your bathroom, that's the magic. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.